You know how I feel about them girls that make it sweat. Pause, hit that send. Hit that move.
Hey lovely people, Makai here, back with another video, and today I'm vlogging. I actually want to make my Roam With Me playlist all about vlogging. I had the idea of making it about traveling and learning new things, but we could just do that through vlogs, and I can do that while showing you what I'm doing throughout the day. So first and foremost, I need to charge my battery because my camera's definitely dying right now. My camera is on 99% now, so we're good to continue the vlog. I took the items back to Target and picked up 3 new items, 3 new sports bras. I actually have one on right now and it feels so good. Let me show you the other 2 though. So the one that I have on right now is the gray version of this sports bra by All in Motion. It is in a small, so I'm pretty sure you can hear me rubbing the material. I absolutely love it. It does have padding in here, but it's not too thick, which makes it really comfortable. It gives me a shape and I can lift my arms up, move them around. It doesn't move. So I am in love with these dry fit All in Motion sports bras. Now this is a low support sports bra. I was kind of nervous because when I looked at it, it looked extra small, and I'll admit some extra smalls I can fit, okay? But most of them restrict the arm movement. That's why it's so important for me to, you know, move around as I'm trying on clothes. But I put this on and it fit perfectly, all in the right places. This also has padding as well, but not too much, which I have to point that out because my Nike sports bras have some padding and they make the sports bra like tighter. I just feel like I'm restricted when I wear them, so I've had to take the pads out of those. But these, it's just very comfortable. Honestly, all 3 of the bras are comfortable, which is why I have one of them on right now. Now I want to go to the gym. I realized I was quite hungry before I went to Target, so I did have some eggs already, but I've been training myself to reward myself with food or with a smoothie or both after a workout. So who knows, maybe I'll have eggs again, maybe I'll make pancakes, but I'm definitely having a smoothie once I get back from the gym. So let me put these away and head out. I just pulled up to the gym and I was just checking my Instagram really quickly. You know, I posted a little story about me getting new sports bras and someone was like, "Did you lose weight?" I've gained, I've lost, just to gain again and lose again. I hate it. And if someone can actually notice it, it makes me hate it even more. But I'm still gonna go work out. I'm still gonna get this session in and just try not to get discouraged. But it is really annoying. I really hate having a freaking high metabolism. But yeah, let me just get in the gym. I'm just gonna work it out. I am back from the gym, but now it's time to work on my flexibility. I've been making a huge effort to do this every single time after I work out. You're probably like, why do you want to work on your flexibility? Well, I want to pick up pole dancing as a hobby. So, as I was doing research on that, I started testing out my body and seeing what I could do without a pole. And your girl needs to open up the hip area. She needs to work on the extending of the legs. So I found a video that I've shared with multiple people. It's about 17 minutes long. But yeah, I tried to do it as smoothly but quickly as possible because I want to get in the shower. But the main thing is my body's already warmed up, so it makes sense to do it after the gym. I don't like doing it at the gym though, and I haven't tried to, but this flexibility stretch includes doing splits and putting your leg up in the air, and I just don't want that type of attention.
Ankles, and we will bend and straighten our legs. Your goal is for your bottom to get as close to the floor as you can. Bend, straighten. One more time. 3-degree line. Now switch over and push your left leg back. Now if you feel comfortable in your lunge, fall onto your elbows, but if not, just stay in the lunge.
Online or because somebody says it, it's true. No, girl, you can make a way. If there's a will, there's a way. What if I can get the rent down to this? Or what if I sign a 13-month lease instead of a 12?
Currently sitting here enjoying my smoothie while my potatoes are baking in the oven. I've been keeping a bag of potatoes on hand just because 1, I love potatoes, 2, I love potatoes for breakfast, and 3, a baked potato seems to be a really good snack in between meals. Speaking of snack substitutes, I have replaced bowls of cereal with bowls of rice. Oh my gosh, I can hear the potatoes. You all know I'm trying to gain weight, so I was doing some research and I realized cereal doesn't really help much, at least compared to rice. Rice can help me gain a few pounds. So I'll heat up a bowl of rice when I get a little hungry with some butter, and the next time I get hungry, I eat an actual meal. But yeah, if you all can suggest any other snack substitutes that aren't really meals but could be, let me know in the comments below. Before I get into these potatoes, I just want to let you all know that I am still getting out of the military, so that process is happening as we speak. I'll let you all in more in the following vlogs, but for now, just know I am planning on staying in Arizona. I miss my friends, I miss my family, but it's just so much cheaper out here to live, and if I really, you know, just plant my feet here, I could be pretty, you know, well off. So with that being said, I am looking at my space as more of a home. I have had thoughts of decorating it actually, and not just treating it as a space I'm occupying until I can get somebody else to live in here and pay the mortgage. So yeah, just what I thought my future was gonna look like, it's not looking like that right now, but it's okay because what I'm imagining seems to be even better, because it's more evolved around me just focusing on myself and, like I said, my space and my plans and my dreams, my goals, my wants. So yeah, you guys will be seeing me get my freestanding pole, and you will see the process of me starting my pole dancing hobby. You all will see a lot. I'm not gonna say too much, but if you're interested, subscribe. If you are already subscribed, thank you. You probably don't got your notifications on though, so turn on your post notifications and make sure you press the all option, okay? Not the personalized option, because they be trying to trip and play. So do that. Leave a comment if you guys have any questions for me about getting out of the military or the interview process, sending applications, or just getting back to YouTube and uploading. Just let me know and I'll address them in the next vlog. Okay? Sound cool? All right, cool. Bye.